So I'm going to start by priming my face. I'm going to be using my professional face primer. By the way, right now my baby's asleep, so as a mom it's really hard for me to do my makeup. Sometimes like I get lucky and she's asleep and I do my makeup, you know, or like I record. It's hard, to be honest. And in the weekends it's easier for me to do my makeup, you know, because I do go out on the weekends, and my boyfriend's here so he can watch the baby while I get ready, because if he's not here it's hard for me to get ready. I mean, she could be playing and then I could be getting ready, but you know, I still have to keep an eye on her and stuff, and it will take me longer. You guys should know, if you guys are moms, it's hard. So today I am going to show you guys like my everyday like mom makeup look. I don't know if you guys could tell, but I'm breaking out right in my forehead. I have this pimple right here. I've been trying to pop it and it's so hard. I mean, the pimple is hard and I just can't. I feel like it's not ready and it's just bugging me because I keep on touching it and I know it's not good. I do have some really dark circles. I'm a mom, so I still get up in the middle of the night to feed my baby. So yeah, and she's 7 months already. She still eats at night. Anyways, I am going in with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation. I've been really liking this foundation because it's full coverage and it covers everything, which is awesome for me because I need something like this. So we're gonna use a little bit and we're just gonna apply this all over our face, well, my face. Being a mom so far, it's great. I feel like it's not as hard no more just because my baby is growing and she's growing fast. So sad. Soon, guys, she's gonna be 1. Oh my god. Well, not really that soon, but hey, time goes by fast. I need a mirror. Let me get a mirror. This is what I normally do. Like I said, when I'm in a not rush, I'm not gonna say rush because if I'm in a rush I wouldn't do my makeup that good. So this is the makeup that I normally go for. So yeah guys, and it's really simple and easy, and this is just what I do. So I'm just gonna call this mom makeup tutorial, or I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I think we're good with this. Oh, and by the way, I did retouch my roots because in my last video it was like fading. My roots were like kind of orangey and it wasn't pink, so it was kind of weird, so I had to like re-dye it. So yeah, and by the way, my sister dyed my hair, if you guys were wondering. She does the magic. She's not a professional though, but I'd rather let her do my freaking hair than a hairstylist, to be honest. That's how I trust her. Anyways, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay concealer. This concealer works good because it's full coverage and it covers my dark circles. So what I normally use in the dailies is this translucent powder, which is the Airspun translucent powder. I don't know, it's really okay. There's a mess of powder. Oh my god, this is not a good idea. So to contour my face, I am going to use this Marc Jacobs contour thingy. So yes, let's contour our cheeks. After this video, I'm just gonna go to Walmart, guys, and buy things that I need and my baby needs. How boring, huh? Now it's time for some blush. I am going in with the Oh no, this is so bad. This is so bad, guys. Look at this. It broke. I don't know if this was. I'm just gonna take this blush right here. Now I'm going to take my BH Cosmetic eyebrow palette, and I'm just going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows real quick. And I'm going to be using this Maybelline Gray Lash applier thingy. I usually use this for my eyebrows instead of my eyelashes. So yeah, let's do that. I think we're good. For eyes, I am going in with the Destiny Hill eyeshadow palette, just because this palette has like every color and I usually use browns, so this palette is great. I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here. It's like a really nice brown, so I'm just going to be applying that right on the crease of my eyes. Then I'm going to take this really dark brown right here, and I'm just going to be applying that in my outer corners of my eyes, and that's it. So I am going to be applying the same eyeshadow colors I apply on my eyelids. I am going to bring them down. I'm going to be applying it right under my waterline. Then I'm going to grab the dark brown. I am going to be applying this eyeshadow. This one is by Colourpop and this one is called Castle. So I'm just going to be applying it right in the inner corners. See, that's cute. So then I am going to be applying some mascara. I am using my Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to be applying some on my eyelashes, and I'm just going to get it ready for my fake eyelashes. So yeah, let's do this. So I am going to be applying some on my bottom lashes. Oh my god, I should turn off my fan because my hair is going all over my face. So for highlight, I am going in with the Becca Champagne Pop. Normally, I don't really use that much highlight, to be honest. I don't know why. So usually I never really have time to do my eyeliner, so normally I never really like use eyeliner. So yeah, I am going to use eyelashes because normally I always wear lashes, like I'm a lash girl. Anyways, lately I've been using these are the Ardell 251 eyelashes. I got them at Sally's, by the way. So they look like this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they're really puffy and like really pretty. Like, they're really like dramatic, but not so dramatic. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if you guys get me. And they're not heavy at all, so well, at least for me. And I feel like they're really like long from the side, so I am going to cut them with some scissors. So yeah, they're like really long, so I'm just gonna grab my scissors and I'm just gonna cut like a little bit, like a little 2 hairs maybe. Okay, I think that's good. And a lot of you guys ask me what eyelash glue I normally use. So I use the House of Lashes glue and it works really well. Like, I really like it. But yes, I know some people don't really like white glue, but I don't mind like using white glue, so it's fine. I normally always grab this liquid lipstick. It's bomb and I love the color. This one's called, the heck, does it have the name? But it's by BH Cosmetics and they have so many colors, and this one's like a really nice brownish, I don't know, purpley, I don't know how to describe it, but the formula is amazing. Okay guys, so we came to an end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look, and if you guys did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.